Hi, I just wanted to make a quick video about alternative programs. I've been asked in class, and I've seen a few people who have been using programs which have been causing problems in their computers, such as viruses and pop-up ads and things of that nature. So the first thing that I just want to go through is LibreOffice. This is a alternative to Microsoft 365, which is a subscription-based Office program which is built into Windows 11. And it's the sort of standard version of Windows that Microsoft wants you to use. LibreOffice is free. They have different versions for Mac OS, Android, and you can also, so you can have here's your operating system, so you can get it for Windows, you can get it for Linux, different Linux builds, Mac OS, if you need to use it. And it has everything. It has the Excel version. It has a draw. It has a writer. So it has all the things that are a spreadsheet as well. So it has all the things that you find in 365. For PDFs, I would recommend PDF Gear. I use this one. It's a free PDF manager, so it can merge or separate PDFs. It can edit PDFs. So if you have a form on a computer that comes in PDF style, you can go into open it up in this and edit it in PDF format, and then you can write your things in there or type your information in there. It has signature options and things of that nature, so it's a pretty good PDF program to use, and it has a Linux version and a Windows version, I believe. Obviously, I use this in Windows. And for photos, I don't really do anything with that myself, but I would say use this Photopea if you want to use something instead of Adobe, um, you know, the Adobe Photoshop. You can use this Photopea, which can help you. If you like to edit and manipulate photos. I know most people don't bother with that, so this is just something I'm putting out there. For browsers, I recommend using Brave Browser. Brave Browser, you have a version for Linux, you have a version for Android, and you have a version for Windows. And as you can see, it blocks ads and saves data, and you get faster web pages. The only drawback I would say to this browser is that if you're streaming, it doesn't let you stream in 4K as I think the only browser that really lets you do that is Microsoft Edge, which is a Chrome-based browser. But this one is private and it cuts out commercials. So if you play YouTube through it, or if you watch Amazon Prime or Tubi, those kind of programs, it usually cuts out the commercials. So you can get a commercial-free, ad-free experience, and it has a private mode with Tor, which is a bit more than what I can say for Chrome. If you still have a CD burner attached to your computer, I know some people have older computers that still have a CD burner in it. I would recommend this program called CD Burner XP. Lets you burn data, CDs, and DVDs, and it's a free software, and it works just fine. I use it to make audio CDs of various types, and I haven't had any problems with it. Yeah, there's not much more I can say about that. Not everybody, most computers nowadays don't have a physical CD burner in it, and it's just USB keys and things of that nature. Smart audiobooks. If this one I just use on my phone, so this is an Google Play Store for Android phones, and I would imagine there's a version on MacBook that's iOS that's similar. So you instead of using Audible, you can play your audiobooks through this, and it has some great features, chapter features, depending on the actual audiobook file that you have. You can lock it. It remembers where you were in place when you pause it or close it. So it's good for that. You have the libraries and all that. But I really like this program. It works very good. For WhatsApp, you have WhatsApp Web, so you can download. If you can download it onto your computer, you get the WhatsApp. It's a Windows app, Windows Store app, so it'll open up the Windows Store, or you can just use the WhatsApp Web feature, and the WhatsApp Web feature you would log in and your WhatsApp web, and you'd get like a QR code right here, and then you'd have to open that up with your WhatsApp on your phone, and then go to link devices. It tells you right here, and then you scan this QR code, and then it would put everything on web, through the browser anyway. But you can download the actual app, which is a little bit more of a permanent solution, and then you would go through the same process to get your chats onto the computer, and that's just an alternative to having it on your phone. And then lastly, for video, I would recommend VLC. VLC is a really good media player. I like it better than the one that comes with Windows. And you have it for Android as well, so you can use it on your phone. And there's a version for Mac OS, Linux, and iOS as well. So yeah, it's a pretty good video program that has all the codecs. It plays all the different, usually plays all the different forms of video that you can get, and it'll play audio as well, MP3s, and all the different audio codecs that they have out there. So yeah, and it's a program that you can donate to if you want to donate money to it. If you find it useful and you want to put that in. Anyway, so that's just a quick video that I just wanted to make about various programs that are alternatives, in order to, instead of just going on and willy-nilly randomly grabbing something that might cause a virus or cause some kind of malware on your computer, and would cause a lot more headaches for you. Anyway, I hope you find this useful, and I hope to make a few more helpful tip videos in the future. Thank you.